Okay, in our last problem, we went through our standard algorithm, a little quick. So right now, we're going to slow it down so that you guys can see exactly how I do this. Now, problem 2 says subtract using the standard algorithm, which is where we stack the numbers on top of each other. Our problem is Nuran buys 507 grams of grapes at the market on Tuesday. On Thursday, he buys 345 grams of grapes. How many more grams of grapes did Nuran buy on Tuesday than on Thursday? Okay, now at first, this might look like I'm doing an addition problem. I've got one on Tuesday, one on Thursday. Oh, but no, I want to know how many more grams of grapes did Nuran buy on Tuesday than on Thursday. So what I need to find is I need to find how many grams of grapes he bought on Tuesday. If you said 507 grams, you are correct. Now I need to see how many grams of grapes he bought on Thursday. If you said 345 grams, you are correct. There is my problem. And yes, I am subtracting because I want to know how many more. Okay, remember always when you see a symbol over here, I'm going to start all the way over here with my labeling. I know I'm going to be talking in grams. And now I can begin in my ones place. Okay, before I even start subtracting, I should probably draw my biggest number. I'm going to draw 5 hundreds, 0 tens, and 7 ones. Okay, now I can solve my problem. I have 7 ones. Can I take away 5? Of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which leaves me with 2 ones. Uh-oh, I have 0 tens, but I need to borrow 4. Go ahead and pause the video and share out loud what you're going to do. Awesome. Hopefully you said you are going to borrow, we are going to borrow this 10 right here, or this 100. We're going to make him into 10 tens. So I'm going to actually cross out my 5. I don't have 500s anymore. I have 400s. And in my tens place, I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. That 0 just became a 10. Can I take 4 tens away from 10 tens? You bet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which leaves me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. And now I need to take 300s away from 400s. Can I do that? Yeah, I can. And that leaves me with 100. How many more grams of grapes did Nuran buy on Tuesday than on Thursday? If you said 162 grams, you are correct. Give yourself a pat on the back. Look at this. We solved that perfectly. Nice job.